Yo. Huh? Huh? Come here. Why your pocket hanging there? Keep your pockets in your pants. Why your pants rolled up like this?
Daddy, go tricks on my clothes.
Put these socks on. Go put your socks on. Yeah, man, we're finna get ready to roll out, man. I got some stuff I need to do. I got a few stops I need to make. So I'm about to help him put them on there. Cause that ain't right. Put his sock on right. No, yeah, the one that he already got on. Well, that one too, cause he putting it on wrong.
No.
Yeah, man, I'm finna I ain't brushed my hair today, man. I ain't get my hair cut this week. But y'all see what's going on, man. Big boy. So I'm finna man, hey, I got something to show y'all too, man. About my dog, 7-8 Chevy boy, man. So I gotta go and link up over there. And man, it's crazy. I'm just not getting my day started. I need mustache, man. I need to find somewhere to watch these games, man. Even though I probably could. He could. Nah, you ain't putting them on. It's too cold. Hold on, y'all. Y'all see BB? BB getting old on me, man. BB getting old. It's crazy. But yeah, man, I'm about to vacuum out the cam dog real quick and do that. And yeah, so shop vac. Yes, did y'all see that, man? Y'all see that? I think I put that in the video, man. I had bought me an old shop vac. Hold on, y'all. Hello? Yeah. Alright. Nah. Alright. Yeah, man, so that was Memphis Mike call, man. But yeah, I'm about to man, vacuum out this old cam dog real quick. And cause it needs it. So about to do that and get our day going, man. Safe on the slide through. So I'll hit y'all when I get done with this, man. Taking that nigga. This man got 1 million pictures of this car. He's still taking pictures of the car, man. I thought the wheels were for sale.
They still for sale, man.
The car too?
Yep.
The car for sale?
Yep. $100 million.
The boy said give him $100 for it. Yes, sir. Let me holler at my dog, man. Say he went and watched this jump, man. He had to come and holler at me. He had to pull up in the yard of greatness, man.
It's dirty in there. I gotta clean that back seat out.
Man, you ain't drove the car in 18 months. It's supposed to be dirty.
We got the heat blasted in that motherfucker.
Yeah.
Warm in that bitch. She can hang in there, boy.
Hey, what's good? I tell her, said, man, I don't want to drive mine, man. I ain't got no heat.
Nah, you bullshit.
The man said, man, I gotta go get me a sweater.
We got Benny JC pushing in this bitch.
Now, I could be wrong, but don't this supposed to be facing this way? Don't this,
I mean, it don't matter, really.
Boy, you been taking chunks out, ain't you?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh, Sasha. Yeah. Look at Jordy.
I want to show my face.
Yeah, man, we in the camera. Yeah, she's celebrity status. She don't want to show her face because she important.
No, I am not.
Are you important?
Well, yeah, I am. I'm a child. I am your child.
No, I'm gonna drop you off at the fire station.
No, you was not.
You finna be the fire department child.
No, you will not. No, don't say that.
But anyway, man, I'm finna head to. What just happened? In that route. Something going on. Hold on, y'all. My phone. You know what? My phone did. It's probably why it's doing it. Hold on, y'all. This is left.
Turn left.
Yeah, left. That's how it's spelled. Left.
Do you add an extra E in the left? Are you adding the extra E in the left?
Nope.
Yes, you are.
If you added an extra E in the left, it would be
Left.
left.
But yeah, man, we got some precious cargo, man, to go pick up, man. So that's what we about to do. I'm about to hop on the slab, man.
Go past
Slab it out.
then use the right lane to take a slight right turn.
Yeah, take a slight right turn to our destination, man. So I'll hit y'all back, man, when we get to this destination, man. That's what we gonna do.
Peace.
That's what we gonna do. Cause yeah. It's about to get real. It's about to get real good now. About to get real good.
Yup.
Yeah. So I done made it to my destination. And about to go up here. Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna go up here and get it, man. Yeah, y'all see Mama Ward. Look what she done for me. I'm gonna get me another one.
Get a spoon one now. Text him and let him know.
Okay, I'm gonna let him know.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, man, I had to holler at Mama Ward, man. Give me a old banana pudding, man. Give me a old banana pudding. And yeah, man, we out of here. Out of here like last year. It's good and cold too. Wee. Yeah. Put that up there. You sit there right there. Ooh, woo. I don't know if I want to put this in the car. Hold on, from your mama house.
No, I want banana pudding.
I ain't sharing.
Banana pudding.
I ain't sharing. I
You
just
gonna eat the whole thing by
I'm
yourself?
eating the whole thing by myself.
I'm gonna be sick.
It don't matter. I ate all of it. I'm gonna make sure I eat all of it.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. My phone ain't. I mean, my
This
camera.
stuff is blurry.
My camera. ain't
Ah.
focus.
Ugh. Don't nobody want to see all your boogers.
You got no boogers?
You do got boogers.
I ain't got no boogers.
Nobody seen me.
They just flashed their lights at me. No, my lights ain't on. I did that for a reason.
Ah!
I don't want to see. I just want to eat my banana pudding.
I'm finna eat your banana pudding right now.
Right.
I'm gonna put you out.
At the pet suite.
Nah, I ain't gonna put it at the pet suites.
No. I want the pet sweets.
No, she ain't going to the pet
I
suites.
want pet sweets. Please, can I get some pet sweets?
No, can't get no pet suites. Now I'm trying to figure out which way I need to go, the best way I need to go to take y'all to. But yeah, man, y'all see what I got going on, man. You know what I'm saying? We got good banana pudding, man. Let's see.
Yeah, can I get some banana pudding before we leave?
Nah, man, no banana pudding for you. You didn't put in on this, man.
Please.
You didn't put in on it. You didn't put 5 on it.
Oh, what?
On the banana pudding.
I need to put the E on the 5 on the banana pudding.
You didn't put the 5 on it.
I put 5 on it.
You ain't put 5 on it.
Yes, I did.
My Cash App ain't did nothing.
I don't got Cash App.
Oh, well. What you got? You got your what's your card number? Just give me your card number and I'll go ahead and take it off your card.
I'm not telling you my card number.
You ain't telling me your card? I bought the card.
You already snowing.
I'm gonna hit y'all.
I need to tell you.
I'm gonna hit y'all in a minute, man, cause they ain't getting my banana.
What?
They ain't getting none of my banana.
What does ending?
Why
have to do
would
with
I give
They ain't
you
getting none
my
of my
card
banana.
number if...
Y'all ain't getting none of my banana.
Why are you
Y'all ain't getting none of my banana.
Why should I give
Y'all
you
ain't getting none of my banana. Y'all ain't getting none of my banana. Y'all ain't getting none of my banana. Y'all ain't getting none. You ain't getting none. You ain't getting none.
Y'all.
Nope.
I'm finna be driving before the year ends.
No. You could be driving, but you ain't getting none of my banana pudding.
Yeah, banana pudding might be
Oh, I'm
fun.
getting a banana pudding.
Oh, you ain't getting none of this.
I'm getting banana
You
pudding.
ain't getting a piece. Man, you can't get a cookie crumb off that banana pudding. A cookie crumb. Nah, I'm straight. I'm straight, dog.
Dad,
I'm straight, dog.
Dad,
Hmm?
can I tell you something?
Now,
Give me some banana pudding
you
right
got your
now.
you got your seatbelt
Right
on, huh?
now.
You better leave your seatbelt on.
I got my seatbelt on.
Okay. Put that seatbelt on, cause you take that seatbelt out, try to get my banana pudding, I'm gonna hit brakes and throw you out the windshield.
Don't throw
Ain't
me
get
into
none of my
that
banana
pudding.
pudding.
Just don't throw me into that pudding.
Big bird.
You see?
That's a big
You
old
see?
bird. But
You
yeah,
see?
man.
Birds.
Let me run
Birds
this on.
might pick me up and have me.
Get y'all back, man.
No, this is not how.
Man, y'all better stop singing for y'all get me copyrighted. Hush them out. Man, these folks here singing, man, thinking they finna get some banana pudding. Hush!
Give me banana pudding.
Man, these folks is singing, man. These folks singing Rihanna, man, the jump after Black Panther went off. They trying to get some banana pudding. Man, you ain't getting nothing.
Get him to get me banana pudding.
By the time they see this video,
Get
that
me.
banana pudding gonna be gone.
Get me. Get him to get. What's a cat? It's a cat.
Man, that cat fat them up. Oh, that cat. Y'all see that joint? Y'all can't see it. There you go. Man, that joint fat. That joint is not in no hurry to do nothing. But anyway, let me run them in the house, man. Hit y'all back. Look at this, man.
I didn't tell you to put this much in the bowl. You just put it in.
Man, you can get a bigger cup than that. You ain't got no bigger bowl than that.
No. The bowl that she had was fine. That mean you had to fill it up just because it was big.
Hey. What you ain't gonna do is talk to me crazy on my vlog.
I don't care about your ball.
Cause I can tell you where you can shove it. Go get that bowl right there.
Where's the other glass bowl at?
Give me that. Eat my banana pudding too.
Look at nails. Mine is basic.
Certified. There you go, Jordan.
Cookies.
What? There go Jordan's. Huh.
That shows you are a police
You are a horrible father.
Ace ain't getting on pee at all. Ace got bad bowels.
It's good. Okay.
Life's great. Don't y'all never ask me for nothing else in life. Y'all ain't getting nothing for your birthday. Y'all ain't getting nothing for Christmas. Y'all ain't getting nothing for New Year's, Halloween, none of that.
Oh well.
So, yeah. Alright, man. I'm gonna buy the him cause before somebody else try to steal something. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. So, just gave the kids a little bit of that banana pudding, man, so they done tasted it before me, and they said it was pretty good. So, I guess I need to find me something to eat, though. I want to go somewhere and watch the game, but everywhere crunk, because everybody watching the games. So I really don't even want to be dealing with it. I don't want to, y'all know I don't like being around people like that. Not a whole bunch of people, anyway. not no closed environment. So, let me see. Now these folks gonna be deep everywhere. Matter of fact, let me call and see what Memphis Mike got going on, man, and see what he wanna do. See if he wanna get out or something. I ain't do it like that, cause I don't know. I don't really wanna go nowhere, but I'm hungry though, so. Other than that, I'm headed back to the house. So, put this seatbelt on.
That's like you nigga too.
No, I ain't gonna. No, I ain't.
Who? What's that?
I don't know. Somebody was watching earlier. I don't know what they had it on. Man, I made it back to the crib.
I don't know what that is, eh?
Look on. It should be the last time that was played.
On what?
On there.
On there?
Yeah. I don't know what was. Cause I ain't closed none. I just closed it. So it should be still on there. I made it back to the crib, man. Y'all see what's going on. Please, man, if you haven't already, man, check out the site, man. BelowNationLLC.com. Man, go on there. Put your email in.
What's that? Right there?
On your email list. On the email list, confirm your email, man. You get all the updates. Announcing the upcoming updates. And you get 30% off your first purchase, man. So, yes, sir. Let's get it, man. Yeah, go ahead. Check out the site. Check out the store. Get your Auntie Man gear. I will have some. I got some more stuff in the works that I'll be posting on the store soon. But if you on the email list, I ain't gotta tell you that because it's gonna automatically come to you. So that being said, man, it's your dog, man. Big Below, man. Mr. Auntie Man himself. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Oh man, I forgot. Y'all see what I got going on. I forgot, man, to hit this banana pudding one time. Let's see what we got here on camera, man. Yeah. Yeah, I'm finna eat this whole pan by myself. Mama Ward. Got you some. You got your lifetime customer. Cause I'll be back. I'll be back. That is good. That is good. Ooh-wee. Nice on lip. Yeah. Might order me another one to eat tomorrow. So I'm about to do something to this one. Yeah. Yeah.